Hello, this is a special episode. I want to share my love for sound healing with you. If you don't have any instruments, don't worry. You can use your voice. You can start by using a humming sound. Or you can try an ohm. Sound provides a focus to meditation, healing, and ritual. Sounding is a tool that can help us shift frequencies from the low frequency energies of guilt and fear to a high vibration of love, joy, and peace. You are the vessel, you are the one to reach that state of mind. There is no outside source, it's all within you. How does sound healing work? Sound helps facilitate shifts in our brainwave state by using entrainment. Entrainment synchronizes our fluctuating brainwaves by providing a stable frequency which the brainwave can attune to. By using rhythm and frequency, we can entrain our brainwaves, and it becomes possible to downshift our normal beta state. This is a definition I found on mindbodygreen.com. Once I do the sound healing, just take a moment to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. If you start to think about the past of what happened, or if your mind starts to go into the future of what you need to do or where you need to be, come back to the present and focus in on your breath and breathe in and breathe out. Open your eyes when you're ready. Alright, so sound healing works on the principle that everything in the universe is energy and vibration. Behind perceived reality is an incredible cosmic dance of interconnected energy fields. At heart, we are all one energy. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. Also, please leave a comment below with any experiences you had during the sound healing session. Thanks so much for watching.